Attention to all US citizens, this is your president speaking. But I have an important announcement to make. This is a public service announcement. It's come to my attention that all the video editors using this software called Davinci Resolve, yeah, they're not using the cut page as much. Let me tell you something. Alright, listen. The cut page inside Davinci Resolve is one of the most important tools in the history of mankind, and today I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you should be using the cut page more often. It seriously makes your workflow 10 times faster. Like, show the cut page some love, bro. I don't get it. Why are people avoiding the cut page? It's one of the, bro, you gotta use the cut page more often. Make sure to drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. The first reason why I prefer the cut page is how easily I can scrub through the timeline. Like, look at this. You can go through this, make some finer adjustments. You have to zoom in and you'll be like, yeah, this isn't good, this part isn't good. Then you'll take it out, right? Now, let's just do the same thing in the edit page. I don't like this part, right? I just click this and I just hit Q on my keyboard, and because it has this ripple edit enabled, it automatically cuts that point. Like, it's so convenient to just go through and review my whole footage just like that. Reason number 2 is, for example, if I just wanted to rearrange, I want this piece of clips to come maybe here. I will have to basically select all of these, move this here, and then paste it there. I'll also have to make these adjustments. Let's do the same thing in the cut page. Okay, I feel like this clip needs to be right there, right? I just drag it across. And that's it. Like, literally that's it. Now, reason number 3 is, come on, I just have a single monitor. So for me, real estate is everything. I can literally preview this thing like this. This is so much better than what the edit page gives you. Which is, I mean, you can do that, but this is not equal to this, right? This is so much better. I mean, it's so great. It's so great to be able to see your footage, like review it like this, rather than go through it like this. This is so perfect. Now, I bet you didn't know this existed. Like, right here, I want to make some changes to this footage. Maybe I want to add a dynamic zoom. What can I do? I'll go to this tools window. I have all the options right here. This is speed. You know, I can literally adjust the speed. I can make it go faster. It's faster. I can maybe do stabilization if it's shaking. Hey, you've also got an auto color option, which, I mean, is ultra unnecessary, but it's still there. Now it's lagging, but yeah. And you can also do some crop adjustments. Like, it's so crazy. Yeah, now I can just move it. See, this is so convenient. The last tip why you need to use the cut page is simple. Adding B-roll. You see this meme? Okay, this is cool, right? It's whatever. Now you have to cut it. You have to, like, pinpoint where you have to put it on the timeline. And then, you know, you have to drag it, place it on top somewhat. You know, you gotta move all this to the side or something, and then, you know, fit. Like, it's just a lot of hassle, right? In the cut page, you know, just adding like a simple meme. It's so easy. Like, this is where I want to add it. You can see this shit that I click. It's being inserted right here, and I just drag it into this smart insert, and voila, it's just right there. It's like magic. And just like that, you can even insert some stuff on top. This is place on top. It's literally right here, right above the clip. So you see, right? You see what's up. Like, these quick intuitive tools right here. And you can also, like, add a dissolve right here, just like that. It's so easy, dude. So easy. You know, these are just the basic ingredients to make your first cut, and you don't need to mess around with this complete entire behemoth of an edit page. Keep zooming in. Oh yeah, make this cut. It's such a waste of time. That's why you need to start using the cut page more often. Try to make some cuts with it, try to make some edits with it, and you will understand that it works super fast. You can just adjust everything with these. You know, most of the basic edits can be done using this. It's super fast. You'll thank me later. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you've seen here, you thought something was interesting, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, leave a comment.